It was a rare Saturday session of federal court. Adis Medunjanin was arraigned on charges of conspiracy to commit murder in a foreign country and receiving training from a terror group. The indictment says the 25-year-old man from Flushing, Queens, visited Qatar and Pakistan in 2008 for military-type training by al-Qaeda.
The essence of the charges are that my client conspired with others to commit murder here and to commit murder abroad.
The government's interest in Medunjanin came to light Thursday when the Bosnian-born U.S. citizen fled from FBI agents who were searching his home, seizing his passport. Agents followed him till he crashed his car on the Whitestone Expressway, calling 911 and declaring in Arabic, "We love death more than you love life," then frantically praising Allah. Was the terror suspect trying to kill himself? His attorney won't say.
The circumstances of the car accident will all be aired. I'm not going to discuss what was going on at that time.
He's now the third Queens man charged in what officials have called the most serious terror threat since 9/11, an alleged conspiracy to detonate homemade bombs on the New York City transit system on the 9/11 anniversary. A Denver cab driver, Nazibullah Zazi, was arrested in September, and on Friday, Zarina Ahmedze, a Queens cab driver, was charged with lying to federal agents about knowing Zazi. All three men attended Flushing High School together.
Is he a terrorist? What would you like to say?
Medunjanin's family left court saying he is not a terrorist. He could face life in prison if convicted. Meanwhile, his attorney complains he was denied access to his client for nearly 2 days.
If they interrogated him while he was represented, whether it's a rush to a judgment that day or not, it was illegally done.
In court, in a loud and clear voice, Medunjanin entered his plea, not guilty. That is his answer to terrorism charges, his attorney says. They're back in court Thursday on the question of bail, and he's being detained until then.